This particular channel here just got deleted about 3 days ago. Now you can see that this creator can't upload any video because YouTube has taken down that particular channel. Now, do you know that it is possible for a channel to be terminated even without you getting copyright strikes? And you see this particular channel here, this person, something strange happened on her channel. So now on one of her long form videos, she reached out to me that she got, and that video is even over 8 minutes. And as at the time she sent it to me, she was having over 545,000 views on that particular video. Imagine the number of watch hours she should have gotten, but look at the number of watch hours that particular video gave her. So I'm going to tell you exactly what happened with that video and how you want to also protect your channel from things like this, because things like this could actually get a person's channel terminated if care is not taken. Hi and welcome, and if this is your first time here, I'm Glory C, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels and get monetized fast on YouTube. I tell you mistakes to avoid and tips that you want to imbibe so you can grow organically. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge, and do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this video so it can get to a lot more people like us. So this particular person reached out to me on Instagram. I told her that, okay, you know what, go ahead and send me your end page, let me look at it. And when she sent me her end page, can you see what's on her end page? 192 valid public watch hours. So I was surprised, and I asked her, okay, when did you upload this particular video so we can tell, you know, whether YouTube hasn't updated the information. She said no, she uploaded it about 3 months ago. So I'm like, what? Can you see it's an 8 minutes 4 seconds video, and if you look at the analytics, you can see 545,000 views, and the watch time she got 8,000 watch hours from this particular video. Please, I need help. I was telling her that, okay, did you upload it? She said that she uploaded it in the, you know, landscape orientation. It's 8 minutes. So I told her, okay, that's strange, but I will look through it. So I told her to share with me the link to the video. I wanted to see if there was something, you know, strange about that particular video or something wrong about that video. And I watched the video and I found out that the video was filmed normally, like a very good video that should have gotten her channel monetized. So after looking at that, and I went ahead to tell her, okay, the background sound that you used, is it licensed? She said yes. I said, okay, also share with me the screenshot of your YouTube studio, the part that talks about traffic source. Very important. First thing I even noticed was real time in 48 hours, just 5 views. And this video is like a very viral video, over 500,000 views in just the last 3 months. So real time, it's not supposed to be getting her 5 views, it's supposed to be getting her way more than this in 48 hours. So when I now checked her top traffic sources, another thing shocked me. Top YouTube features just three, browse features 1. So I sent her a voice note explaining some things, right? Then I told her to also still snap the exact YouTube studio feature that shows the traffic source. That was where I now found out the problem. So she sent it. You can see here the views, 545,723 views. You can see top sources. What can you see here? Number 1, YouTube advertising, over 542,000 views. 99.4% of the views she got from YouTube advertising. So in my mind, I'm like, at first my mind, I'm like, so why did this lady share this with me? So you can see external 814. You can see browse features, 419 views. And browse features, normally if your video goes viral, that browse features is supposed to be the one at the top that would give you the major part of your views. So it was giving her just 419 views, and I'm like, suggested videos just 346, channel pages 163. So I just knew that something was wrong. I told her that, please, this thing is just showing that you ran an ad on this particular video. Look at it. I told her that on this, I said, this shows that you got the most views from promoting your video. Usually the watch hours you get from a promotion doesn't count towards monetization. She said, but I have never for once promoted my videos, just the normal upload, and that's all. I said, the traffic source is showing that it was promoted. So she was like, no, she never did that. Or does it mean someone else did that? That's strange. I then sent her a voice note asking, does she have someone managing her account? So maybe the person actually went ahead and, you know, did all of that. But she said no, she manages everything her own self. Now guys, let me tell you exactly what the problem is. Now, a person can, remember I said anybody can hijack your channel. You don't want to just go ahead and be clicking on links here and there, because if anybody hijacks your channel, they will do anything to make it theirs. Do you understand? So what happened was, somebody in one way or the other was able to maneuver his or her way into her channel, and the person actually ran the ad on her own channel. promoted that particular video. I'm also going to show you something in your YouTube studio that you want to start checking henceforth. But first of all, let me tell you what to do to be sure that you don't have this particular thing going on your channel. You want to go over to your YouTube studio, okay, to the desktop version of your YouTube studio. So I'm just going to go via my Chrome browser so I can show you exactly what you want to do. Once you click on that setting icon, just come here to where you have channel. Okay, just click on channel. You want to go over to where you have advanced setting. Then when you go to where you have advanced setting, just scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see where it says Google Ads account linking. Okay, Google Ads account linking. You're going to see link your YouTube channel to a Google Ads account and all of that. Now, any Google Ads account that is linked to your channel, you are definitely going to see it here. This right here is my own Google account that is linked to my channel. But can you see this particular box that is showing here? Only lets linked accounts use this channel's video as ads. You want to go there and tick that particular box. Do you understand? You want to go there and tick that particular box. Now, if you come on your channel and you notice that you are not yet monetized, in fact, you don't have any Google Ads account yet, and you see a Google Ads account here, you want to go ahead and click on this unlink. Unlink it from your channel. Do you understand? Or if you're already monetized and you know that you have just one active Google Ads account and the other ones you see here, you know that they are not yours, you are sure they are not yours, you want to go here and unlink everything that is not yours so that nobody would have access to your channel. The last thing I said I was going to show you, you want to now come here again to your YouTube studio. On this left panel, you want to click on this C that is here. Just tap on that particular C. It's known as content detection. Okay, so you're going to see matches. Aha, okay, okay, okay. Thank God I even decided to teach you and come here. Because I've not checked this particular place for like 7 days or more. You can see here matches. If you see something like this, you can see how I got paid on YouTube. You can see my own video here. Somebody went to reupload my video on his channel. So what I'm just going to do is to go ahead and send these people messages. Do you understand? So that they can take down my videos. And if they don't take down my videos, can you see? It's my video that's playing here. Can you see? Jesus is Lord. The person even included a paid promotion. I'm going to go ahead and do the necessary things here. So that's on matches. Now the next one is you want to go ahead to removal request. If you've placed any removal request, you're going to see it here. You want to check with your messages if everything is fine. Check with archived if everything is fine, especially these matches. Okay, so you want to go ahead because it shows that here's where you can see the videos with content that matches yours. You can take an action in bulk or one by one. Do you understand? So you can take an action. If you tap on next, you're going to see it says here, use these tabs to review your video removal requests, sent messages and archived previous videos. You can see even the second video, the person still uploaded it and even decided to use a paid promotion using my own video. What the heck? Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and address that. Okay, this is just to let you know that on YouTube, on this YouTube street, everybody needs to be aware. Like, you need to be very, very careful so that nobody, takes away your hard work from you. Okay, so with that being said, go ahead and watch this particular video also, where I shared a lot of vital information that will help you on your channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.